Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. Hello everyone, hope you're doing good in this video. We are going to make Windows 11 computer way faster than earlier. Trust me, after doing these very simple and powerful steps, your computer performance will be drastically changed. So let's get started. So here in the start, I can just do a right click and then go to Settings, and at the left hand side we need to click on System. Now here in System you will find Storage. Just click on that and here you will find Storage Management. Turning on this storage sense will incredibly make the computer faster because it will automatically free up the space, delete the junk's temporary files. The registry chunk will be removed automatically. If we turn on this storage sense, by default it is turned off and you need to turn it on manually. So once you turn it on, you just need to leave. And it will be very good, and it will be very good for the computer. Once this is done, in the same window, we need to look for a privacy and security. Now I'll click on that. And here we just need to scroll down and look for diagnostic and feedback. So if I click on that, by default it is turned on, and make sure you turn it off. Send optional diagnostic data. So if you do not want to send the diagnostic data to Microsoft to improve the Windows experience, you can turn it off now. At the left hand side you need to click on Gaming and you will find Game Mode. Now here make sure it is turned on south whether you play games or not. It will optimize your PC for better performance. So make sure this is turned on. Once this is done, we will move to the next step. At the left hand side, look for the System again. Click on that and scroll it down. And look for Power and Battery, so I'll click on that now. Here I'll scroll it down. At the right hand side you will find Best Performance Balanced and Best Power Efficiency. So if it's selected to Best Power or Balanced, make sure you select Best Performance. And once this is done, I'll just close this window. Next step which I'm going to share is really very powerful, and it will drastically change the performance of your computer. And for that, we just need to do a right click on the star icon and then go to Settings. And here at the left hand side you will find Accessibility. And then you will find Visual Effects. Now, by default this Transparency and Animation Effects is turned on. If your goal is for the best performance, I would recommend to turn off the Transparency effect as well as the Animation effect. So this will actually put off. This will release a lot of load from the CPU and the performance of your computer will be better. Your CPU will not be used to create the effects, and it will give you a better performance. So now, once this is done, I'll just close this window and then we just need to do a right click on the star icon. Again and click on Run, and here we need to type Clean Manager. So once you have typed it, hit OK and it will open up the disk cleanup for Windows C. Now here make sure you select all the check marks. With this disk cleanup, we can delete all the junks, all the temporary files and the registries which is there in the computer. All these things you do not require it, and it is created by the system. So it's absolutely fine to delete them. So once you check mark, just click on OK and you will be able to get rid of all the chunks. And it will make the computer faster. So the next step to speeding up the PC is you need to press Window and R, where you can simply do a right click on the star icon and then click on Run, and this time we need to type appwiz.cpl. So once you have typed it, hit OK. And it will open up Programs and Features. Now here you need to uninstall all unwanted applications by just doing a right click or by just selecting it and clicking on uninstall. Now this will increase the performance of your computer as well as it will free up the space of your computer. So it's really a good thing to do, because if you have too many unwanted applications in the startup, they will keep on using the resources of your computer. So things applications which you do not know, look at the publisher. Here search it online if you do not know what exactly those applications are and then uninstall it. Once this is done, there is one more important step which most of us know, but don't do it, and for that I'll just close it. And here in the search bar we just need to type Windows and you will find Windows Update Settings. Now it is a very good practice to update your Windows, because when you update your Windows, your older system file gets replaced to the fresh files and the performance of your computer gets better. The security of the computer gets better. So once this is done, you just need to restart the computer and let me know in the comments section how exactly it was. Has it changed the performance of your computer or not? And please hit the like and subscribe. I'm really working hard for you guys and I really need your support. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.